In December, we are invited by Heidelberg for a Heidelberg Day for an open house to show their digital engine. The Versafire from Heidelberg is a digital platform with white plus CMYK. What I love about this is they actually utilize the technology to drive people here. So if you look at this, is a metallic foil board, and it was printed with their digital engine with white plus CMYK, utilizing color logic. So this was the invitation to attract people to come. Today it's about what can you do different with these engines. So after the invitation, when people arrived, they had a full set of samples for the clients to see and take away with them. They had an example of just the metallic colors and these dimensional effects, utilizing again color logic off the Versafire. And this was done on a metallic stock with white plus CMYK. Here we're using the color logic system for color, and then we're using our dimensional effect with our patterns in the background.